Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be learning how to make a paper claw. Now we will get started. First step is you want to get this corner and fold it all the way down until it touches like this. Then you want to get this corner and fold it all the way to the other corner. Like this, kind of like a pyramid. Then you want to get the other corner and fold it until it's touching this part. And do that same thing to the other part. Like this. Now you want to get this corner and fold it down until it's a triangle. Just like this triangle. Then here comes the tricky part. You want to get this corner and fold it like this. Kind of so it's like an L shape. Then you want to get this corner and fold it over the L until it's like this. Last step is, do you see this little pocket here? Poke your finger in the pocket, then get this piece of triangle and shove it in the little pocket. And that's how you make a paper claw. Thank you for watching.